Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Techo AV. Today, we're checking out a sleek and powerful ultrabook. The Asus Zenbook A14 UX3407QA, a premium laptop that blends portability, performance, and style in one razor-thin package. So, is it worth your money? Let's dive in. Asus Zenbook A14. Get bigger things done with a lighter design. At just under a kilogram, Zenbook A14 is born to go places. Its Snapdragon X series processor unleashes the full benefits of Copilot Plus and empowers your lifestyle with multi-working day battery life. The all-new minimalist design, featuring tone-on-tone colors and nature-inspired materials, exudes elegance. The laptop lid, keyboard frame, and base are crafted from Ceraluminum, our amazing anti-wear, anti-scratch, and smudge-free material. It's powered by the Snapdragon X126100 processor, paired with 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. You're also getting the Qualcomm Adreno GPU and Hexagon NPU with 45 TOPS of AI performance, which means ultra-smooth multitasking, efficient AI-based tasks, and silent, fanless operation. Power supply TYPEC 65W AC Ultra Mini Adapter. The Asus Zenbook A14 comes in a stunning Iceland grey finish and weighs just 0.90 kilograms, that's only 1.98 pounds, making it one of the lightest 14-inch laptops on the market. Despite its weight, it still feels premium with a solid build and minimal flex. This laptop features a 14-inch OLED WXGA display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. With 600 nits HDR peak brightness, 100% DCI P3 color gamut, and display HDR True Black 600 certification, it's perfect for content creators and binge watchers. Plus, TV Rainland and SGS Eye Care certifications mean less eye strain for long hours of use. For connectivity, it's well equipped: 2x USB 4.0 Type-C with power delivery and display output, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm combo jack. Wireless performance? Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, future-ready for any environment. Keyboard and touchpad. Backlit chiclet keyboard, 1.3mm key travel, precision touchpad. The smudge-free keycaps, tone-on-tone keyboard, and enlarged touchpad extend the elegant aesthetics. Video calls are handled by a full HD IR camera with Windows Hello support. Audio is boosted by SmartAmp technology, giving you decent clarity for calls and casual streaming. Audio SmartAmp technology built-in speaker built-in array microphone. Network and communication Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11 AX, triple band, 2x2 plus Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card. Security BIOS booting user password protection trusted platform module, firmware TPM. Battery up to 32 hours of sustained battery power minimizes charging downtime while maximizing your productivity and leisure time anytime, anywhere. Work unplugged with zero performance losses. The Asus Zenbook A14 UX3407QA is a compact powerhouse for creators, coders, and commuters. Thin, light, and packed with features, it's an excellent choice if you're looking for premium performance without the bulk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. This is Techo AV, bringing you clarity in tech. See you in the next one. Unity Systems Solutions.